On today's episode of MotoCheez.
The following movie is rated I.
Looks like the woodchuck likes to carport. He's a fat one. Or she. Need one already. Shut up.
Good there?
Yeah.
Okay. Much straighter than that.
Right. What the heck is that?
Ah.
Eggs. Hope we didn't kill it. So that's it. It's not very pretty. The 20 by 30 tarp, I think it was. Did both sides, and there was a rip in there, but it did most of the back. So I just got to get a front door.
More moments later.
So I may have solved my nose peeking in the video. I took the little clip that they give you if you're going to run a wire for an external battery. Wedged it right there to point it out a little bit more. I think that'll work.
Alright, where are we now?
A lot of parts. What's up, Minitruck? Maybe you won't see my nose anymore. Put that little shim in there. That should do it. On my last video I actually seen a little tiny bit of my mustache and beard. Just a little bit. First road test with the camera. So I think that clip should work. Seemed like it was pointing in too far anyway. From what I could see. It's gonna rain, so windshield will finally get cleaned anyway. I tried contacting Ordro 3 times. And I haven't gotten the answer back with the volume level. It is very, very low. I think I end up having to boost it almost 25 decibels. I mean, it's really low. Man, I did some road work down here last week. And man, this bump is it's bad. In the wintertime. Look at that. Someone's going to be heading for the toolies if they don't fix that by winter. I definitely think this image quality of the video is a lot better than the video camera that was in those glasses, that's for sure. But as you can see in the last video, not quite as good as that drone though, is it? Curious to see how this image stabilizer works with these bumps. So recording the last video, I actually got almost 2 hours of battery time. That's pretty good. And and that was at 1080 60 frames. I dropped this one. I'm going to do 1080 30 frames because I don't normally upload in 60 unless there's a lot of motion like on a motorcycle. Half the size file, boys. Might go over 2 hours. Mark this on your calendar, boys. Looks like it might be 1 in 100 times that I come through this light, that I actually catch a green light and I don't have to stop. There it is. Got some lookers, Minnie. Sure glad all our tax money from the gas tax goes to these roads. Mighty fine job Connecticut does on their roads. Not. It'll all be fixed when Biden puts a mileage tax. Right. Not that we don't pay enough tax for gas now. I think it's like 50, 60 cents a gallon. Halloween's coming up, boys. Screwdrivers. Welcome to Wally World.
Walmart, low prices are just the beginning. Doing our work is the rest.
I'll be right back, Minnie.
A few moments later.
Got everything, Minitruck. Walmart was packed. Guess it's not a good day to go on a Sunday, huh? Just in case someone's got the Rona. I don't know. Those invisible cars. I guess we'll stop at Home Depot. Pick up some of that EMT, maybe 6 lengths. Caught every light this time, Minnie. Minnie's gonna be parking, pro parking. That's right. Forgot about those big tires. Be right back, Minitruck. Jeez, I remember when that stuff was like $2. Times are changing. So I should probably get, maybe I get like 6 of them. Oh, look at that, another Minitruck. Minitruck. Did you see that Honda Minitruck, Minnie? That's pretty nice, huh? Oop, sorry. Every time someone hits their remote, sets the horn off. What, do you get excited, Minnie? Think it's for you? Let's take the back road. Don't forget, you can't go in the garage. You're way too high now. So when you get home, you gotta drive over by the boat and drop these conduit EMT pieces off. I think I should make a little tiny vise that I could put on the front hitch that comes up high. It's like can work on stuff in a vise. It's a small mini vise. It's got a little tiny handle part on it where they'd work great for these pieces of conduit I got right now, because I got to cut them off and pound the end flat and drill a hole in them. That's a good idea. What do you think? Pipes vibrating. Look out, squirrel! Oh, ooh, that was close. Jeez, that's the bump. Check how your load is secure back there, Minnie.
That's what he says?
Damn it! Looks good. Knows Minitruck. My Rob Ross, thanks Ryan. Nice and dry. Like an old piece of canvas. I think I should throw on the front of this. Hope it's still good. Good job, Minitruck. Thanks again. Oh, look at that. Pretty neat. That's pretty cool. It articulates pretty good, huh?
Yeah.
That is neat. Thanks for the birthday gift.
No problem. It was like 4 hours.
And then you crank in with that.
Yeah. It's not bad.
Yeah.
It's a novelty.
It's got tilt wheel. Very nice. So I think this wire clip didn't work too well because I'd hit a bump and I'd hear a little scratch or crack, and I believe it's coming from this because this bounces up and down a hair. So I'm gonna try a piece of this behind it because I like the view. I think the view is way better. I suppose I could heat that up and bend it where I want it to be. It would probably be the best bet, wouldn't it? It's actually metal, so I can bend that wherever I want and it'll stay. So I bent it and it should work. Sorry. No more of my nose. And hopefully when I hit a bump it's not going to make that creak. So that's dead center of my head. All the way out. And that sink is dead center. That should do it. So after reviewing my own video, I actually feel it's the compression when you slam the door, or if the windows are closed and you hit a bump, it's over compressing these microphones. There's one here, and there's actually one here on the back. I think that's what it is. In my next video I'll try it with the windows open, slam the door, and then go for a ride. I also broke down and bought another set of video glasses, but a different style that I haven't had before, so we'll do a review on that, because I just feel corny wearing these into the stores, and the glasses are pretty good for not looking overly ridiculous. And I like getting stuff inside the store sometimes when I'm shopping, so those will be in tomorrow. I'll do a compare video from this to the other glasses that I get, And as always, anything that's in the video, I try to put links below because people do ask in the comments. If you see something in the video that you like, just go into the description, or most of the time at MotoCheez.com I'll have a link. Thanks for watching, guys.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.